In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find Google folder and launch it to access Files app. After you click on it, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Now, select Clean. Click on Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!